welcome to our kitchen again. Thanks for joining us. We're going to do a short little video today. We're going to make some burgers tonight and we're going to have some candied bacon. So we're going to do it and we'll go through it real quick. Pig candy. It's not, I didn't make up this recipe, but it's really good on burgers and BLTs. So we got a pound of just thick cut bacon and we're going to take some barbecue rub. I am using Cosmo's Honey Killer Bee. It's a sweet rub, but any barbecue rub will do. And we're just going to put a thin coat all the way around the bacon. And let's see. How's that look? This is where my sous chef Hazel is going to help me. We're going to top it off the bacon with a little brown sugar. So I'll do the first one. We're just gonna drizzle a little brown sugar on it. All right, can you do some? I'll do some and you do some. How you doing?
Okay.
Does that look good?
Getting messy.
Let me help you.
Do you like getting messy?
No.
The brown sugar, we're gonna take just a little cayenne pepper and just, here, I'll do this. We don't want it to be too spicy, but just a little cayenne pepper over the top so we get a little bit of the sweet with the heat. Okay, and that's it. That's all there is to it. We're gonna put it in a 400-degree oven. We're gonna let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes till it's brown on the top side. We're gonna drain the grease, and then after that, we're gonna flip it, and we're gonna do the same process to the other side. We'll be back with you when it's all done. Thank you. All right, guys, here's the final. We got the candied bacon on a burger, some broccoli on the grill, and potato salad. Hayes, you be our taste tester. Try the bacon out.
Is it hot?
It's not hot. Tell me if it's any good.
Papa, really?
Is it good?
Yeah. Spicy, yeah.
It's spicy but good?
Mm-hmm.
Huey, do you like the bacon?
Yeah.
You do? That's it. Well, thank you guys.